Hi guys, we are doing a hike at Masebe Game Nature Reserve rather. So follow us, then you will see the weekend we have a trail that we need to open and check out. We're invited by Limpopo Economic Development LIDET to go and check it out. So we are looking forward to that. I'm with the team and the other two operators that are coming. So guys, we are looking forward to that. Follow us. We're going to have a good time. It's going to be a nice hike. Yeah. So Noyo Africa is here. We want to enjoy the place and have a good time. It's so nice. We had a challenging road because it was raining and the access was easy on a 4x4. Yeah. But look at that. That's a beautiful mountain. Yeah, we can't wait to go and enjoy. Otherwise, cool. See ya. Not indeed. We are here. And look who I found. And look who I found. It's not going to stop.
No, it's not.
Serious?
It's been raining since we arrived here. I'm very wet.
Oh my God.
Yes.
But we're here now.
We are here.
Whether it rains or it doesn't rain.
We are here. Camping is camping.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely.
This is the love of outdoors.
Yeah, you can see they're busy setting up Masebe Nature Reserve, guys. What I love the most, there's no network. That's the best part. That is the best part, guys. So yeah, we're gonna set up, we're gonna sleep here, and yeah, I will update you guys on the developments and the planning and everything. Cheers. Yeah, good morning guys. This is the morning. We slept so well. The blankets that we provided were very warm. Yeah, people are preparing. It's around 6 a.m. and we're getting ready to go. Others are still showering. There is a team that has provided very nice meals for us. Apparently, I think it's called the Chef on Wheels or something like that. But yeah, the food was very nice last night. And this is the setup. As you can see, I'm still gonna go there. And yeah, starts in the morning. Camping, you are never meant to be at your best.
I know.
You are meant to be at your weakest, but yet enjoying. As you can see, he's filling up a bladder. We had a donkey. Hot water. This is so cool. I must say I enjoyed the shower. But I'm going to show you the shower that I provided, and that is the whole setup, guys. Look there. Hello, guys. Rohana, that's our guide for today. Yeah, and let's go. Let me show you around. I slept on this tent provided by LIDET. Actually very nice, I must say. I slept so well. And these are more tents. And behind there are the mobile toilets or ablutions. And these are more. Another one behind there. It's another mobile toilet. And over here, these are mobile showers, cubicles that were also provided. Very nice. You just go in either with a bladder or a bucket and you shower. So cool. But over there we've got the Sheshageza showers, 2 for the males, 2 for the females, provided by Chillers on Wheels. Wow. Actually, I must say it's the first time I used this. I showered in there. They were awesome, I must tell you. This is something very nice, and you shower like you are home when you're outside. Look, this side is for the male, the female is the other side. You can hear it going. I suspect it's a gas geyser, but it provides you non-stop hot shower. And we are marking our register and collecting our packs. Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
Good morning, Jonah.
Morning.
How are you?
Well, how are you?
I'm good.
Yes.
Very well organized, very impressive.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you. She's the organizer, guys, with her team. This was so cool. You can see there's first aid kit, and people are signing the indemnity forms and collecting their goodie bags. Yeah. So yeah. This is a good morning, gents. Good morning, gents. Hola, hola, hola. Amakorumbi. Hello, hello, hello.
I hope everyone is up and ready this morning. Okay, now with your right hand, I'm gonna need you to put it up. Just put it up. Your right hand. Your right hand. Just to see if everyone is awake. Just to see if everyone is awake. And just wave it around clockwise. Wave it around clockwise. Clockwise. Clockwise.
I see a lot of aunties.
Clockwise. And now with the very same hand, I'm gonna need you to touch your cheek. Touch your chin. Touch your chin. Touch your chin. Everyone is awake now. Well done. Well done. Well done. Everyone is awake. Okay, cool. Grab a partner quickly. And we grab a partner. A partner. Quickly. Let's quickly just run around a little bit. 2 minutes. Grab a partner. Right here. Right here. Quickly. Do you have a partner? Who doesn't have a partner?
Shame, guy, and a shame.
Okay, the next one, quickly. I'm going to need everyone. This is what you're going to do. Whatever that I'm going to be doing, make sure that you do it better than me. Whatever that I'm doing, you're going to have to do it and make sure that you do it better than me.
Yes.
And whatever that I'm going to be saying, make sure that you say it. And make sure that you say it as loud as possible or as loud as me. All good? Ready? All right, this is just a follow-up song. Everyone's going to be saying just after me as well, but you're going to have to demonstrate it with your body, with your partner as well. Ready? Okay, let's start. Our hand to hand. Okay. You're going to have to say it again. Follow me. Our hand to hand. Our hand to hand. Just one hand. Our hand to hand. Our hand to hand. Our head to head. Our head to head. Our head to head. Our head to head. Our back to back. Our back to back. Our back to back. Our back to back. Our knee to knee. Our knee to knee. Our knee to knee. Our knee to knee. Our back to back. Our back to back. Our back to back. Our back to back. How low can you go? 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 Our head to head. Our head to head. Our head to head. Our head to head. Our back to back. Our back to back. Our head to head. Our head to head. Our knee to knee. Our knee to knee. Our back to back. Our back to back. Our head to head. Our back to back. Our back to back. How low can you go? How low can you go? Outside the left pass. How low can you go? Our head to head. Our head to head. Our head to head. Our mouth to mouth. Everyone was ready. Thank you, Janan Samaye.
And Anastasia here, together with the students from TUT and MUT. So I just want to lay some few ground rules for the reserve and also for you. So, rule number 1, please do not find yourself alone in the reserve. We've got a good population of leopards. Recently, there's a study about leopards here. We've got a good population. So please always make sure that you can see the Masebe officials. Another thing, please do not collect any specimen, whether it is plants or animals. Please, there's no collection of specimen, right? Yeah, so I think we just want to polish those kind of rules. Please do not separate with anyone.
Lastly, please remember we are in an environment place. Please respect the environment. Do not litter.
Thank you.
Please. Leave it as clean as it is.
Yebo.
Enjoy the trail.
Thank
See you
you.
on the other side. Oh, yeah.
Then they say, I just go. Hey, they push you. It's amazing. Continue talking. Hi, good morning. We are at the peak. Please, ma'am, may you tell us your names?
Hi, my name is Masebe Lehodi. I'm under Limpopo Wildlife Resort, which is under Lidet. We are here at Masebe Nature Reserve to come and explore the hiking trail in the mountains. Yay!
We are at the peak,
We
ne?
are at the peak of the mountain.
And enjoy. Look at the views.
Yes.
Don't you love the views? We are right on top, guys. There is mist, but below that mist is a village. So you can see we are right at the top. Masebe hiking is amazing. The mood is good. So, Ceci, what would you say to those who want to come and hike?
Please, you are welcome to come and explore. This is all about nature. We are connecting with nature when we are here. We are still going. We just started.
This is not actually the African potato.
It's not the African potato.
It's an onion. We have never got the same stuff though. It's anale scanam.
Oh.
Yeah, but Skanama are chili leaves.
As in chili leaves.
Yeah.
The African potato, I'm chili leaves. It's in chiso. In a few, then we have a little flour.
Yes, you're not African
tube,
potato.
the tube I be visible outside like
It's
this.
like
I don't get subspecies now.
But it's within the family, ne?
Yes.
within the family, yeah. Leona Gipeku is very strong.
Yeah, it's a powerful.
We mix it Leona Munamali, boiler dia take ma dia cleaner.
This into
Kakwa pushing our
halala. Ujamuduane. Power. Yeah, good. Yeah.
The onion part.
The onion part.
Yeah.
Look at some guys, they are over there. They are still coming. We're now on the mountain. We're walking on the mountain. And yeah, we can see the view is amazing. And wild and out. So cool. So beautiful. I don't think the camera can do justice to the views. I don't think the camera can do justice. Nah, it's so beautiful.
More ngwana mo mo ha ba bitsang ke magaga matala ke le bitso la yona ha re magaga matala ha re ka lebella mo ithabe mo masukeng mo go na le bo green mo la masukeng ke bolele ba metsi ke bolele ba metsi he ba ke ba ke le mabereka mo lena ba ntlhalosele pleki ke mo o dula dikgoshi tša gale bolanga ba bangwe ba batile ke no pa ke lebetse mabitso a bona go gabe bo ke ka no tswela site la ka maro tswela ge go tswela ka mo site le na ba lana mo ko rang hona ke sa fota pleki o market thabana ya go na le thaba engwe e so di tla thabana ya go ke mo dilo go shila e sa le go se simbani le ba ba le mo e sa le mogalabe khalabe go shi go ile he khoshi a tlotlwa a sepela a tsia bo hoshi a bo fa ba gabaloi le ba chaoki ba se ba boreng gona re feleng ba ke khoshi ba re nanga se le fa ke sa fa ba banga le na la bo hana ka ke ntse le namo ke saudi ba go bya bo nkopele bo hoshi ke bile ba a tloa a skrabe a khoshimo ya be khoshilanga go bakambeke le ka ba bakambeke o na le ba laka
ke tswa kwa
ba bo le kwa a se bakambeke fela ba nang le ba ona le ba laka au te so mona di bile pleke tse dintsi mo ditulong tse dintsi ke laka ke kae ke matlango ke go re ka batho ba ntsi ba ile ke matsogo ke dintona ha ke tlhalosetso ke dintona ba tswa ka moka ba tswa ka fasalaka kwa ke kana le bona ba tswa ka fasa ke kana na la leng kwaola makwele re thomotsana ka makwele re ka go site la no ka ko moshata re bulle ka moshata ba dula mo le bona mo la ditsa masodi o thubile ke metsi mo la masodi mo la ba tshabela ka ke bona na mo la ba ke kana o la be khoshi papai
ke kutlo ya banna
Entanglement.
Ba ba re ke go be ke ntharola ba entanglement mara ko ona nyana o ba nature le yone rata entanglement so ge di la in human beings
What is this?
la
Ba di phuli je ba re gone di phuli se ona mo
Beautiful trees. Beautiful, awesome trees. Special species. Look at this beautiful tree. Ora tu. Rokotsa fast.
Africa.
Hola.
Haleluya.
Hey!
Sindi Mahindra. mountains. There's this river joining, and there's another one there. And that is the camping. Yeah? You had your weakest. Team fitness. Alala. We did it. Yeah, we did it.